Hello to my Forex for Beginners family. I want to say a big thank you to Saad Ali and his Forex for Beginners family team. You know, my journey before this, I was paid so much money to courses and to Forex traders in my country that were rumored to be the best, but they never taught me half of what I know from Saad Ali, and it's all been for free. Firstly, I learned about how MT4 works. I understood where to get the symbols. I understood about the navigation. Then I learned about all the secrets on manipulating TradingView, how to favorite the tools and do chart analysis on TradingView. Then I learned how to draw proper trend lines and how to draw proper channels, support and resistance, you know, that trick of the two touches. Those are things that I didn't know. Now I'm an expert. Then the big bomb was when I learned about fibs. Fibs in a downtrend and fibs in an uptrend. And then the sweet spot. Those really were game changers for me. Then I learned about the EMAs as well. The EMAs, the EMA 50, 200, 8 and 18, and how they helped me to understand the downtrends and the uptrends and to gain confidence in analyzing the charts that my analysis is accurate. And also I also learned about the candlestick patterns and to be able to tell the difference between a pip and a pipette. Then the big bonus was the private student group, where we are able to post our charts and get feedback from the experts, Saad Ali and team, and other students, and to see the work of other students and learn so much at your own pace and analyze. Thank you so much to Saad Ali.